Hey, you are here with Dave Jose, and I got to ask you a question. Do you want remedy? Now, guys, there's a lot of people out there teaching quantum grammar and all these different things that you got to be a state national to get justice. You got to get a passport. You got to do all these different things. You got to use UCC. But, guys, I'm going to tell you, you have to look at the fact that history repeats itself. If you want to win, you want to follow the biggest wins. Did your forefathers use UCC, quantum grammar, and all these state national things and passports in order to get the biggest victories? No. So let me show you how they did it. Okay, guys, so here is Virginia Constitution Bill of Rights. We're going to break down things simply and look at what our forefathers who defeated the king, one of the biggest triumphs that exists in world history. They beat a king, and this is the way they tell you that you have to function to get remedy. This is what really works. Qualities necessary to preservation of free government. Government that follows what you say, not make you slaves. That no free government nor the blessings of liberty can be preserved to any people, but by a firm adherence to justice, moderation, temperance, frugality, and virtue. How? By frequent recurrence. You go over it often with your servants. To fundamental principles. Everybody needs to study the fundamental principles. If you don't know them, you can't win. And by the recognition by all citizens. Now, citizen just means part of a corporate entity called a state or a town, whatever. That they have duties as well as rights, and that such rights cannot be enjoyed save in a society where law is respected and due process is observed. You can't make sure people respect law if you don't know law in order to be able to instruct them. Let's keep going. That free government rest, as does all progress. Guys, I don't care what people are trying to tell you. There are certain ways to get progress, and this is it. Upon the broadest possible diffusion of knowledge. So you got to learn the law first. You got to learn the fundamental principles. You got to learn the maxims. You got to learn how nations or states are made using the fundamental law. And then you have to teach people as broadly and quickly as possible. Nobody in the law world has been telling us this. They've been telling about these crazy ideas and secrets and speak grammar differently when nobody else understands. No, we have to focus on what works. Watch this. And that the Commonwealth should avail itself of those talents which nature has sown so liberally among its people by assuring the opportunity for their fullest development by an effective system of education throughout the Commonwealth. Now, guys, I'm just showing you what our forefathers who beat the king says works. Now, there's a lot of people out here telling you that you got to do the best court cases. You got to go to school to be an attorney or a paralegal. You got to study case law that don't exist. Judges don't make law. They're telling you to do all these different things, guys, but nobody's telling you to do the fundamentals. Nobody's telling you to study the state constitutions, which give you the answers for free to all the things that you could possibly want to learn how to do. You just got to put in the time, or you got to shorten the time by getting the education. Either way, this is how we get victory. This is real stuff, guys, and this is what worked for us in thousands of situations. If you are interested in learning more, go to restoremyrepublic.com, put in your information, your name and email, and we could put you on our mailing list so you could get more knowledge of what it is that we have. Guys, this is the day we take back our nation. We have the internet. It's much easier now. Let's get that action in. Love y'all. Oh, if you enjoyed this, say, I love it in the comments. Love y'all. Peace.